In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, customize, test, and publish a contact form in Wix. By the end, you'll have a clean, functional form that delivers messages straight to you so visitors can reach out with confidence. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening your site in the Wix editor by clicking Edit Site. On the left, select Add or Add Elements, then use the search bar to type Contact Form. You'll see a variety of templates from simple name email message layouts to advanced options with phone fields, drop-downs, and file uploads. Choose the one that suits your needs and drag it onto the page, whether that's your contact section or a spot on the home page where it's easy to find. Click the form so its settings appear. In the form settings, add any fields you need, such as a phone number or a drop-down for inquiry type or how someone heard about you. Remove anything unnecessary to keep things streamlined. Edit labels to make them crystal clear. For example, change name to your name if that reads better. Update the button text to match your tone. Send message often feels more inviting than submit. Aim for clarity and brevity so visitors know exactly what to fill out. Use the preview button, the eye icon at the top, to see how the form looks on desktop and mobile. Confirm that the form stands out visually, the text is readable, and the fields appear in a logical order. If something feels crowded or confusing, return to the editor to adjust spacing, alignment, or wording until everything flows. With the form selected, open Settings or Form Settings to control what happens after someone clicks your button. Choose where submissions go, send them to your email address, or route them to Wix inbox if you prefer managing messages there. Enable confirmation emails so visitors get a friendly note after submitting, and customize the message to match your brand voice, like a quick thank you and what to expect next. Be sure to save these settings. A form that sends nowhere won't help you. Preview again and act like a visitor. Fill out the form with a test email and click your button. Then check your inbox or Wix inbox to confirm the message arrived. If you don't see it or something looks off, revisit the settings, make adjustments, and test once more. Once everything works, click. Publish in the top right. Your contact form is now live and ready for visitors to use. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.